I'm here in Cali and I'm sitting here with Daniel, our real estate agent. Actually, how does it work if I, as a foreigner, want to buy real estate? Are there any restrictions? Can I just do that with a passport just while I'm on vacation, or?
Yes, you can. You can come to Cali because you're vacation, and if you decide to buy a property, you contact me. You can buy it with your passport, so you don't need anything. It could take like 1 month, but if you have cash, it could take 15 days.
If somebody hires you to help them, what do you do?
Okay, so first of all, we speak with the buyer, and we ask him or ask her, what do you need, right? What is your budget?
Right.
What kind of apartment, house, lots, land, and stuff like that, right?
Do I pay more, or is it better if I do it by myself? What do you think?
We know about the market, and it can be scammers as well in the market.
Yeah.
So we can help you because we are a company.
You have credibility. Absolutely. So what if I'm afraid of paying a commission, for example? Is that always paid by the buyer or the seller, or how does that work?
The commission is paid by the seller, always.
Okay.
And the percentage is 3%. So the buyer, why the buyer is not working with the agent? Because they don't have to pay anything. Also, you can look by yourself. The pages are Finca Raíz, 100 Cuadras, Metro Cuadrado. These are the 3 most popular.
A great way to obtain a permanent visa for Colombia would also be through real estate, right?
Right. This house that we are sitting right now is from a Colombian lady who is living in the US, and we helped her to buy this house. And she do construction, sound update, everything.
And you're helping her renting it out through Airbnb?
Right, we manage it.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
Yeah. So if I bought an apartment like the one we're renting right now, 1 bedroom for around $50,000, you said?
Yes.
And I'm not living here, I want to go back home, but I still want to make a profit with this. What do you suggest?
Yes, we suggest you to rent it by Airbnb, and we can manage everything. So we take the photos, we do all the listings, descriptions. You are gonna be like the host if you want, or co-host, and you will be able to see all the calendars availability. You can see all the bookings, you can see the earnings, and Airbnb is good because we can split the payment.
How much of an income can I expect if I do that?
Yes, an apartment with that you can expect like $1,000 to $1,050
$1,500
per month, right? Right.
And is it a lot of work to always maintain it, have it cleaned, and so on?
Yes, it is, but we do all of that because you have to greet the guest, you have to explain it, everything. If they are not from here, they are foreigners.
Is my property safe?
If you don't have anyone here in Cali, you can hire a real estate agency to go to check over, to go to clean the apartment, to go to see if everything is good. If you want to rent it in Airbnb, so we can also help you with that.
Right, and you hire the cleaner and everything?
Everything, everything.
Nice, yeah, that's really good. What are the monthly costs that I would face, like maintaining costs?
So when one bedroom apartment, you can pay around $100, $150 per month.
But it takes away all the work somebody would have to do if they hired someone to take care of it, right? Plus it adds to the safety and good maintenance to the unit.